Before you begin, gather all your parts and tools. A full list of components is available at the links in the video description, as well as a link to the specific case design I am using for this build. To assemble, first take the D32 Pro and place it in your case's base. Align the mounting holes in the microcontroller with the holes in the case, and secure with the M2 Phillips panhead screws. Next, take the TFT cable and attach it to both the D32 Pro and the screen. Note that the cable is polarized, so be sure you are inserting it in the correct direction. To insert the screen in the case, gently twist the cable so that it fits in the case base, and then align the holes in the screen with the pins in the case base. Be sure to insert gently so the pins do not break off. To attach the case lid, align the hole with the screen and insert the tabs into the case base. Use the M2 countersunk head screws to secure both sides of the lid to the base. And with that, you're done. Flash your device with Brew Flasher and it will be ready for use.